Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons that contain double or triple carbon-carbon bonds. Valence bond theory assumes that covalent bonds are formed when atomic orbitals on different atoms overlap and the electrons are shared. Valence electrons. Outermost electrons of atoms, usually those involved in bonding. Valence shell electron pair repulsion theory assumes that electron pairs are arranged around the central element of a molecule or a polyatomic ion so that there is maximum separation and minimum repulsion among regions of high electron density. Van der Waals equation. An equation of state that extends the ideal gas law to real gases by inclusion of two empirically determined parameters which are different for different gases. Vapor. A gas formed by boiling or evaporating a liquid. Vapor pressure. The partial pressure of a vapor at the surface of its parent liquid. Voltage. Potential difference between two electrodes, a measure of the chemical potential for a redox reaction to occur. Voltaic cells. Electrochemical cells in which spontaneous chemical reactions produce electricity, also called as galvanic cells. Water equivalent. The amount of water that would absorb the same amount of heat as the calorimeter per degree temperature increase. Weak electrolyte. A substance that conducts electricity poorly in a dilute aqueous solution. Weak field ligand. A ligand that exerts a weak crystal or ligand field and generally forms high spin complexes with metals. Xanthates. The salts or esters of unstable acids with a given formula where M may be either an alkyl or any group. Used in curing and vulcanizing rubber. They may be colored compounds also. Xanthone. Colorless crystals whose melting point is 174 degrees Celsius, obtained by heating phenyl salicylate, a parent substance of xanthone group of dyestuffs. Xanthophyll. Yellow pigments found with carotene in most green plant material. XE, that is xenon. Xerogels. A technique for classification of gels. X-ray. An electromagnetic radiation of wavelength in the range of 10 to 0.1 nanometers, generated by bombarding solids with electrons. Each element has a characteristic X-ray spectrum used in crystallography, in radiology, etc. Y. Yttrium. Y alloy. An aluminium alloy. YB. Ytterbium. Ylights. An internal salt. Yttrium Y. Atomic number is 39. Atomic weight is 88.91. Melting point is 1526 degrees Celsius. Its density is equal to 4.472. An element of group third with electronic configuration 5s24dl. Important ore is gallonite. YFE gametes are used as microwave filters. Zinc amalgam, a solid ZnHe solution. Zinc chloride, white solid used as wood preservative in batteries. Zinc dithionite, SO2 plus aqueous zinc dust. Zone refining, a process refining metals and some organic and inorganic compounds depending on the difference in solubility of impurities in the liquid and solid states.